All right, so we're in New Orleans. Yay! um, I gotta get my stuff together in the truck. Um, my period is full swing, so I went to sleep as soon as literally I got here. Pretty much when I told you guys that I was just gonna sleep, that is exactly what I did until 11 p.m. I think I might have went to sleep around 9:30, and I was sleeping so good. And then at exactly 11 o'clock, I was awoken by my cramps, so I had to take something. And then I was up until about 3:45 in the morning. Needless to say, I after I finally fell back to sleep, I slept longer. So I'm getting a little bit later start to the day than I wanted to, but that's okay. Like, my body is going through something. I've been going through something for days, but it's okay. We're getting through everything. It's natural. Things happen. We're getting through it. But today on the agenda is, first of all, I'm gonna check out this place. HEARD DAT KITCHEN. I think I might have told you guys in a video like before this, maybe not before, like I told you guys about this place in one of my videos. I don't know when or what order, but it's a soul food place. I haven't had soul food for a very long time just because I'm always trying to be healthy and be cautious of what I'm putting in my body. But whew, this looks good. I'm pretty excited. Let's see what the photos really have to offer. It's black owned. Older gentleman and his two daughters. I saw it on this other YouTuber that I watch. He like travels and does food reviews and place reviews, but as soon as I saw the short for this place, I immediately knew I wanted to try it. And being that New Orleans just happened to be on my path, I figured, why not? Let's see how far away it is from where I'm at. Okay, so Google's not really working, the map's not working the way I want to. HEARD DAT KITCHEN, directions, 14 minutes, sweet. All right, that's perfect. I'm gonna get in the gym and I'm actually gonna work out today because it's Monday. And the goal is Monday through Saturdays, stay committed, stay disciplined, get my butt in the gym and work out. And like, I think I'm like starting to get definition. Like, I still got the anti-wing hanging, but I got some definition. Oh my god, like, do I have muscles? Oh my god, do I have an AK-47? Is it giving gun show? Oh my god, who am I? My body is changing and I'm so excited for it. Things are happening. Even if it doesn't feel like it, even if you can't see it for yourself, like, it doesn't mean that change is not occurring. It may be small, but one day you're gonna see it and you're just gonna see, like, wow, change is always happening, it's always occurring, and it's so beneficial to see it happen. Like, I've been working out continuously, except for when I got my little knee injured, since I left for this trip. So January 21st, like a month and a half, I've been working out consistently. And it's just I don't expect to just like be like, oh my god, my body has changed so much. But it's like I've been putting in work, and it's nice to see just like a little subtle changes in my appearance. I'm getting there. So even though it's late, I'm gonna still put in a full workout. That'll make this meal that I'm gonna eat at HEARD DAT KITCHEN even more better. It seems like a beautiful day outside. The sun is shining. It's 84 degrees already. So the goal is HEARD DAT KITCHEN, and then just to explore New Orleans, see what we can get into. I'm gonna get into this gym after I get this organized. I vacuumed up here already, but let's get to it, and I'll see you guys maybe in the city or maybe at HEARD DAT KITCHEN, because I am kind of hungry, and with this workout I'm about to do, I'm probably gonna be even hungrier. Just sucks because I'm on my period. I really wanted to eat some macaroni and cheese. Like, I don't eat macaroni and cheese often. I probably haven't had it for like a year and a half. But when I have a craving for it, I want to indulge in it. That's like, dairy makes my cramps even worse. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but everything looks phenomenal, so I'm excited. And like I said, I'll see you guys very soon. I'll be back. Going to work out. So, just got out of the gym. I promise I'm not like sweating like that. It's just because I put lotion on my face, and then when I come out in the sun, it just like does that. It's not like sweat. I did take a shower. I'm fresh and clean. We got the back of the truck all cleaned up. I deflated the mattress because I need to reset it, because I don't know if I showed you guys, but I got a new mattress because that other mattress just kept like deflating, and this one, count my lucky stars, has been staying good. It's like it was like a $15 Walmart air mattress, like a smaller kid one, but it's so comfy, and the air stays in it. But we're leaving the Planet Fitness, getting into the truck. I'm feeling good. Guns are out. AK-47s. Welcome to the gun show. Just kidding. I've been working out for a month and a half, and I think I'm getting some muscles or something. But it was a good workout, even though my cramps were really trying to halt my progress. I feel good, and I'm hungry, and it's way later in the day because, like I said, I got a very late start. So we're about to head to HEARD DAT KITCHEN. Okay, HEARD DAT, here we come with a full appetite. Not really, because I'm on my time of the month, but I'm excited either way. We're going HEARD DAT KITCHEN, here we come. made it to Heard That Kitchen. There's actually like a line. Well, not a line, but there's like people outside waiting for their food. We in the trenches, my favorite place to be. I grew up in the trenches. I feel an odd comfort when I'm in the trenches because it's like I'm amongst my people where I came from, out the mud. So that's nothing new to me, but we're gonna get it out the car. I'm actually gonna look at the menu first because I like to know what I want before I go up there, and I'm like, I need a moment, I need to figure this out. So I'm actually gonna look at the menu real quick before I go up there, and I'm gonna get some clips of the scenery so you guys can see where I'm at in the trenches. I love to be here. Alright, so I'm going all the way big back. I'm going all the way 500-pound Christina back in the day would love to eat. Even though I don't know if I'm going to eat all this food. I probably will. I'm lying because it sounds so good. So I'm just going to order on the website, and I'm going to get the lobster mashed potatoes. Because I've been craving mashed potatoes, and it's hard to make them homemade myself, which I make really good mashed potatoes, but it's just like, it's a lot to do in the truck. I can, you know, fandangle a lot of things, but that just takes a lot of work. You need a mixer and stuff like that. I just don't have it to do right now. And then I'm getting that plate, which is fried fish, and I think it comes with mac and cheese, potato salad, and peas, which I asked to switch out the potato salad for green beans since I'm already getting the mashed potatoes. But that's what I'm getting, guys. I'll let you know once I grab it. I think I'm gonna eat outside and just enjoy it here fresh. But I'm about to place my order and get out and just go chill at one of the tables. I'll be back. Okay, period, as I like to see. Alright, so we got the food. 2 pairs of silverware. I love that they give you a little extra. I'm so excited because I'm so hungry now. It's crazy. Here's the lobster mashed potato. It doesn't look the greatest, but it smells pretty good. Ooh. Oh, the fish looks fried exactly how I like it. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god. I'm about to tear it up. It's crazy. And there's some mac and cheese on the bottom. Bro. Crazy. I gotta show you this mac and cheese. Alright. Oh. Not 3 sides. That, okay. Okay. I like what we're getting here. Ooh. Ooh. Let me fix my little tripod here. I like what we're getting here. She said she put the hot sauce in here, but I don't see the hot sauce. Because I'm gonna need the hot sauce. I'm gonna need the hot sauce for my fish, but I'm gonna have to go back in. But I'm gonna get into this mashed potato because this is what I was really excited for. Okay. Alright. You see that? My favorite saying is don't ever judge a book by a cover. And it's right here. It looks, but the taste, oh my God. It's exactly what I wanted it to be. And more. Mm. I'm about to eat this whole mashed potato serving like in 5 seconds. What? Oh my God. And it's lumpy mashed potatoes, just the way I like them. So, went back in, acquired the hot sauce. I have to say the service is top notch. They may have forgot it, but she's so sweet and precious. Whoever was at the desk or at the counter or whatever you want to call it. And this hot sauce looks crazy. Chef's quality. It is so red. I'm so excited. It's about to tear my stomach up. Can't wait. I like ketchup and hot sauce, like mixing it together. I don't know. That might be the whole white biracial thing. A little white, a little black. It all comes together. I tried these peas. They ain't nothing but canned peas, but he spiced them up. Like, I don't know what he cooked them in or the seasoning that he put on them, but they're fire. Reminds me of my pops. And then the green beans. With the potatoes, because the green beans have like a sweeter taste, and dip them in the sauce, that lobster sauce, fire. Remember, like just a little bit ago, I'm trying to wait for cars to go by so you can hear me. Just a little bit ago in the video, I said I wasn't gonna eat this all. I'm eating the whole thing. It's all gonna be gone. Like 5, 6 more minutes. I ate all the mashed potatoes. They gone. The green beans and the peas. Now I'm about to go to work on this fish. It's so fire. If you're ever in New Orleans, like, you gotta come to HEARD DAT Kitchen. It's so fire. Like, it reminds me of my childhood. One of my uncles cooked soul food and he like sold it out of his van. Like a food truck kind of, but out of a van. And this reminds me so much of my childhood. My pop's food, my uncle's food. It's so good. So good. HEARD DAT Kitchen. Make your way over if you're in New Orleans. I done ate everything. True Big Back style. But I got the guns to show. No, I'm just kidding. But the only thing that didn't like really hit is the macaroni cheese. Now, I said this earlier in the video. I'm not really a big mac and cheese fan. Like, I really gotta be in the mood for it. And it's gotta be like bomb mac and cheese. This mac and cheese, I don't know. I probably rate it like maybe like a 5.8. It's just not hitting as much as I thought it would be. It's good. but everything else tops the cake. Like the lobster, mashed potatoes, fire. The peas and the green beans. The peas might be canned, the green beans might be real fresh. I'm not sure, but both of them were fire, tremendous. Like the catfish, the mashed potatoes, the green beans, the peas, I give them like an 8.9. But the mac and cheese, it's just not hitting the way I thought it would, but I'm probably gonna eat it anyway. My body's gonna go crazy later. My cramps are about to be out of this world. Can't wait. Better take some medicine now. But I'm gonna finish this. I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna finish the mac and cheese, but Heard That Kitchen. I'm telling you, if you find yourself in New Orleans, make the stop. It's so good. Okay, maybe it was just that first bite because I had like the hot sauce from the fish on it. But I'm gonna change my mind. The macaroni and cheese is good. The more I've been eating them, it's good. Everything else though is fire. Like, yeah, it's good. I was telling lies and deceit. Oh my god, it's crazy. My body is about to go in on me later. I'm so glad I went to the gym and went as hard as I did and came straight here, because now after I eat this, I'm about to walk around the city, so I'm gonna burn more while I'm walking because it is hot. It's like 87 degrees or something. It's hot. But I'm gonna finish this and then we're gonna hit the city and see what we can find.